From the 1011 Now streaming studio, this is The Night Beat.
Good evening, I'm Danielle Shenk with your headlines for Tuesday, October 15th. Today is Slow Down, Move Over for Me Day in Nebraska, which aims to strengthen state laws to protect all motorists stranded on the shoulder. Currently, law requires drivers to slow down and move over when passing emergency vehicles, ambulances, and tow trucks. This initiative is especially significant in light of a tragic crash near Ceresco in April that resulted in the death of 45-year-old Officer Ross Bartlett. A 50-year-old driver, allegedly on his phone, slammed into Bartlett's cruiser, which then hit a stopped car. Today, Tony Pierce turned himself in and has been cited for felony motor vehicle homicide. A Broken Bow man is facing charges after a 15-day-old baby was hospitalized with severe injuries and later transferred to Omaha. Authorities say Adam Schaefer told medical staff the injury happened when the baby's head hit the car door while he was placing him in his car seat. But a radiologist scan contradicted his account. He's been charged with intentional child abuse resulting in injury and false reporting, with a bond set at 10% of $250,000. Thousands were without power this morning on UNL City campus, and several people were stuck in elevators, all because of a squirrel. About 3,400 people lost power, and crews responded to 8 elevator rescues. LES restored power around 10 a.m. In 3 weeks, voters nationwide will cast their votes, but for some Nebraskans, the right to vote remains uncertain. The state Supreme Court is expected to rule tomorrow on whether former felons can register to vote, a decision pending for nearly 2 months. Earlier this year, the legislature passed a law allowing felons to vote immediately after serving their sentence, but Attorney General Mike Hilgers argues only the Pardons Board has that authority. Lastly, Rose Cat Coffee Company is rallying to support a beloved barista who lost her parents in a tragic accident 2 weeks ago. 27-year-old Taylor Woods has worked at the coffee shop since it opened. The shop employs people with intellectual and developmental disabilities, a community Taylor's parents, Lori and Roger, continuously advocated for. The couple died on September 29th while on an anniversary trip to the Grand Canyon.
They were Taylor's sole caregivers and conservators and primary caregivers, and her life has just been kind of turned upside down. And so her ongoing basic needs and care need to be financially supported.
This Sunday, Rose Cat Coffee Company is hosting a fundraiser to help cover those costs. Rounding out your night beat is a check of the 7-day forecast.
You've been listening to The Night Beat. Watch, listen, and stream on the 1011 app on YouTube or wherever you get your podcasts.